Titletown has never experienced a hurricane like this before, leaving many without power. Even the Valdosta State football team was strongly affected. The game was played without a jumbotron and a scoreboard to keep track of the time and score. As you would imagine, a football game without music would be tough because it's beneficial to the players and the fans.
Uh, I can just say it was a little strange. I mean, especially not having a scoreboard. It's kind of hard to keep track of the time, but at the end of the day, it really made the game seem a little bit more on edge because you didn't know how much time was left. I mean, you know, later in the game, Blazersville started throwing away and just blowing the other team out. And, it was a good victory for us, but I will say it was a little strange.
Through the hardship, Valdosta State was able to prevail with a victory over Point University 63-10.
Well, honestly, it was kind of strange with the power and, having the Olympics like generator, dealing with all the different elements that just were a lot of our control. Being short staffed really helped them. Definitely made it, more inclusive and more fun as, a really good chance to really hone in on the craft and really enjoy the game in its purest form. Just, we got a lot of flash, just, good old fashioned football.
Even though this is a game not what many expected, the fans were able to leave with a smile as the Blazers left with a victory. This proves that even through hard work, it's hard to stop the hard work of the staff and the players. My name is Garrison Allen, VSU News.